In this video, I will make a 3D grass model very easily. Although many videos can be found on YouTube, no one has shown it so easily. So in this video, I will show you how to make such a grass model. And at the outset, there are some important shortcuts you need to know when you're working with Blender. Besides, you will miss a lot. So if you don't know some basic shortcut, then I suggest you watch this video of my channel. Then you're working in the Blender. So video link will be given in description and I button. Watch this first. So let's start working. Open the Blender, delete the default cube and go to add menu and take a plane mesh. Press S plus Y to zoom out a bit along the Y axis. Now press tab and go to edit mode. Now let's make some loop cuts. So press Ctrl plus R and make some loop cuts like this. I'm making 5 loop cuts. Now make a tip by selecting some vertex and press S to make the shape a leaf. Well, in the same way, select the vertex line one by one and adjust the size. The middle of the leaf is wide, so we make wide in the middle and tip on both sides. Well, I go to object mode to scale a little. Press S plus Y to make it a little thin. Okay, back to edit mode. Now make 2 loop cuts in the middle to make midrib of the leaf. And select the vertex line along the y-axis by pressing Alt. We'll make midrib, so we will move the 2 middle vertex to down. This will create a slope. Select the middle 2 vertex. Now press G to move it down and go to wireframe mode. Select all vertex in the middle. Press G and move down along the z-axis. Now come to object mode and we can see that our shape look like a rice leaf. Press R plus X and rotate minus 90 degree. Well, now make some more copies and set them. Make it a little shorter. Now select it and go to edit mode and turn on wireframe mode. Select the vertex and press G to move some and create a curve. We can see a curved shape forming. Okay, let's go to object mode. Copy the curved leaf by pressing Shift plus D and rotate it 180 degree along the z-axis. Let's make something short. I will make some more copies in the same way and set it properly. Well enough. Now select all the objects and press Ctrl plus J to merge them. Merge converts all objects into one object. Now if we apply subdivision surface, then the leaf will be very smooth. So we add subdivision surface to modify. We can see the leaf looks very smooth. We can make a few more copies if you want. I'm making a few copies. Just wait. Enough. Select all and merge again. Now we will take a texture, so open the shading property and add new material. Select the image texture by clicking on the base color. You will see a file icon here. Just click on it and open your texture photo. I collected a photo, so I open it. We can see a wonderful grass has been created. We can enjoy its true beauty if we place it in a perfect place. So guys, that's our tutorial. Must subscribe the channel to get more Blender videos like this. Bye bye.